Very distinguished honorable members, men of the pen profession, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we have just concluded the third meeting of the People's Democratic Party Caucus of the 10th Assembly, and we have resolved, firstly, to tell all of us and the world that the PDP caucus in the House of Representatives remain united, indivisible, committed, and out to perform her duty as the watchdog on behalf of the Nigerian people. In the same vein, we x-rayed the security situation in our country, and we resolved that we can no longer take this situation where Nigeria is today almost tagged as one life, 1 minute silence. The government is therefore called upon to immediately take steps to ensure that the security situation in the country is normalized. And the caucus has also given 3 months ultimatum for government to normalize the security situation in our country. After 3 months, the caucus will take further steps to sensitize and mobilize Nigerians to perhaps take their security into their hands. The House of Representatives caucus also agreed to call on all party caucuses, the Board of Trustees, National Executive Committee, and the National Working Committee of the party to embark on reconciliatory measures with the view to resolve all litigations that are pending and that has hindered the party in any way whatsoever from having a substantive national chairman. We call on our leaders of the People's Democratic Party, to continue to demonstrate unconditional loyalty to the party and ensure that the party is moved to her pride of place, where she enjoyed the position of the largest party in Africa, and to take back the Aso Villa, which is actually supposed to be our birthright. And so, for us, we are going back as we resume the session to commence a strong, virile, and purpose-driven opposition to give the people a voice in the parliament. We want to thank you, members of the press, and we want to thank you, gentlemen of this noble house, the Green Chambers. Thank you. God bless our party. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And in the same vein, we also call on the Senate leadership to please take steps to recall our colleague, our senior brother, a veteran politician, a parliamentarian par excellence, Abdul Nengi. Thank you, and God bless you.
That's it. No question. National anthem.